Hello friends, I am Astha Raj and today I am going to talk about rational number. So before starting rational number, I would like to explain you the definition of rational number. A number is called rational number if it can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q isn't equal to 0. Q could be anything like 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2 3, but it is not equal to it, but it should not be equal to 0. Now a question arises that what is integer. So all the positive and negative numbers that we can represent on the number lines are called integers, like minus 1 2 3 4 5 10 minus 10 etc. Small p is used to denote numerator of a rational number and small q is to denote denominator of the rational number. Now as we know that capital W is used to denote whole number, in the same way this capital Q is used to denote rational numbers. There are many examples given below, like minus 1, 3 by 5, minus 70 by 25, etc. Now I would like to talk about standard form of rational numbers. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if its denominator is positive integer and have no common factor other than 1 and should be in lowest term, means it can't be reduced further, it should be in the lowest term. Example 4 by 12. 4 by 12 is not in standard form because it can be reduced further. Yes, its denominator is positive, but it can be reduced further, so it is not in standard form. Whereas 1 by 3, it is in standard form because its denominator is also positive and it cannot be reduced further also. So now I will talk about equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers are the numbers that have same value but are represented differently. They are the numbers which have the same value but are represented differently. Example 1 by 3 and 2 by 6. They are equivalent rational numbers because if we will reduce 2 by 6, we will ultimately get the result 1 by 3. So both are equivalent rational numbers. Other example is 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. In the same way, 9 by 12 can be reduced, and if we will reduce it, we will get 3 by 4. Now absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value of a rational number means numerical value regardless of its signs. That means absolute value of the rational number minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2 means it is always positive, and if it have negative sign, then it will be in positive. Like many examples are there, like minus 3 by 4, so its absolute will be 3 by 4. Now I would like to discuss about some basic questions, like if the standard form of a rational number is p by q, where p by q isn't equal to 0, as I have said you, then common factor of p and q is 1. As we know that common factor of p and q should be only 1. The standard form of 77 by 88 is 7 by 8. How? Because 77 by 88 can be reduced in the lowest term, we will get 7 by 8. So, and the next question is the absolute value of minus 3 by 7 is 3 by 7, as I have said you that, like minus 4 by 7, like this, minus 4 by 8, then its absolute value will be 4 by 7. Comparison of rational numbers. There are 3 cases to compare rational numbers. First, both positive rational number. Two positive rational number can be compared as fractions. For example, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Like if we will multiply 2 into 4 and 3 into 3, so 8 is smaller than 9. So by taking the numerator, we will multiply 2 into 4, so the result that will come, it will come to the numerator. So 9 is greater than 8, so 2 by 3 is also lesser than 3 by 4. Second, a positive and a negative rational number. A positive rational number is always greater than negative rational number, as we know, like minus 3 by 2 is lesser than 1 by 2. A positive rational number will always be greater than any negative rational number. For example, minus 100 or is equal to minus 100 is lesser than 1. The number which have negative marking will always be lesser than if the other rational number will positive. Third, both negative rational number. To compare them, we will ignore their negative sign, like examples minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5. So we will ignore their signs, and so there will be 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We will take the LCM of the denominator, 3 by 5, we will get 15. So we will equate it 2 by 3 into 5 is equal to 10 by 15, and 4 by 5 into 3, 12 by 15. So we get 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. As we can see that 12 by 15 is greater than 10 by 15, so 2 by 3 is also greater than 2 by 3 is also lesser than 4 by 5. Similarly, we can arrange in descending and ascending orders also. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.